Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to use watercolors and make this tiny little cherry blossom. I will show you all step-by-step process on how to paint this. And here on the right is an autumn leaf which I had painted few months ago. If anyone is interested to check out the tutorial for this one, I will drop the link in the description box below. Also, if you are new to my channel, please show your support by subscribing. For drawing this painting, materials needed are watercolors, a sketchbook, color palette, cotton swab, a glass of water, and some paint brushes. I'm taking a flat round brush number 6. So here I'm making a small painting just to illustrate, so I have taken a smaller brush. You can choose the brush according to the size of painting you are going to make. I'm going to begin with the branches of the tree. So I have not drawn any outline beforehand. I'm going to directly color it. If you are not an expert in doing that, then draw a rough outline of the way you want the tree to look like and then start the painting process. Okay, so let me give shape to the tree using light brown color. Extend some branches from here and there, and these branches do not have to be perfect. Just make sure you use a thin brush. At this point, I'm coloring very lightly, but gradually you'll see how better and darker it gets. Now I'm happy with the shape. I'll use darker shade of brown to paint on top of it. A bit here, a little bit on the top, and some on the branches, and so on until everything looks perfect to me. Doing this will bring a bit of life to your painting. I also want to show some highlights on the painting, so I will leave few sections as it is in its lighter shades. These little tricks will make the appearance of your painting more natural. Okay, so let's just fix the branches a little. I'm quite happy with the structure of the tree. So now it's time for the grass below. You have to take some water and yellow color on your brush and splash it under the tree. Keep it light and rough because it's just the base color. And now there goes a bit of green on top of it. I've used both light and dark green over here, and I'm just spreading it using water on the brush here and there. It's just like applying little tiny dots here and there. And here I'm just fixing the ground so it looks a bit better. Now I should let it dry, and the colors on the tree have dried already, so I can move on to the next step. So cherry blossom has very pretty pink colored flowers. For the lighter shade of pink, there has to be 2 proportions of white and 1 proportion of maroon or crimson red, whatever you have. And now the color is ready. I'm gonna grab these cotton swab, and this is going to do the magic over here. You can actually tie a rubber band in the center of the sticks. That way it will be easier for you to handle the cotton swab. And I'm gonna use this as a paintbrush. So here's the thing. I'm gonna dab one side of the cotton on the colors, and I'm gonna make the flowers using this method. Just go over with the lighter shades first, and then I'm going to use a darker shade of pink. I'm sorry that my hands are covering everything, I know, but I hope that you are able to understand the process. It's very easy. Keep adding the colors using the same process until you feel that the shape and the overall look is perfect for you. It has already started to look so much like cherry blossom. I'll also be using paintbrush to fix a little bit of things and spill some strokes of colors here and there. And I also want to add a few flowers that have fallen on the ground, so I'm gonna add some pink colors down below on the grass, and I think that'll look perfect. So I did that. I'll just fix the tree a little by adding a little more of dark shade on it. So I'm gonna mix black and dark brown together. Yeah, I'll just put the colors somewhere here and over here, just a little finishing touch, and that's it. I'm just going to add a few strokes of grass just next to the roots of the tree, and I'm not going to focus over there a lot, so only a few grasses and a few fallen leaves or flowers will do the thing. That is it. I have kept this video a little slower. I have not time-lapsed it so that you guys can understand the whole process and can give it a try. And lastly, I'm going to splash some colors. And lastly, I had added these birds in my painting. I just felt like that this would complete the painting, and so that's it. This is a very easy painting for beginners, for anybody. I hope you all liked this video and I hope you learned something. If you have enjoyed watching, please make sure to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and share it with the friends who love doing paintings and stuff. Comment down below what more would you like to see on my channel, and please subscribe to my channel if you have totally loved it, and I will see you in the next video. See you guys.